Hello viewers, welcome to Down Concept YouTube channel. In this place, actually you're going to learn a lot. All you need is to follow up this channel, and everything I drop in this very channel you are going to receive them. So I'm going to be talking a lot, explaining, guiding you step by step on the things you are going to do in AutoCAD to get it around, be it whatever you are studying, be it ever you, all you need is the right to get that which is in your mind into reality. So now I'm going to be introducing you as a new beginner some of those tools you need to know so that you can begin to use it to work. I wouldn't like to allow this video to go lengthy, so let's quickly start. So all you need is having the basic tools, but let's first of all start by introducing some of these things that you should know first. We have file, we have edit, we have uh, views, search, format, tools, draw, dimension, modify, we have window, we have help. All those things you have to know that they contain some of the things we use in drawing. So like when we check this file, the file has a lot of things in it. So this file now, when I'm saying that it contains a lot of it contains, but you need some few things there as a beginner. As a beginner, you need to know about new, open, save and save as. This new is more like when you open a new file, a brand new page. When open means you want to get a drawing you have saved before into your system and continue drawing. Save, you want to save your drawing, please always save your drawing. Then save as, we save what we have saved before, save it with different name. So we move to another one, edit. Just few things you should know here: copy, cut and paste. These three things, at least know them, is going to really help you. Now when you know these factors, these three factors, now it's going to help you to transport your drawing from one file to another. And all you need as well to know the key in case you want to type it in your keyboard: control X, control C, control shift C and all that, control Z, that is undo. Then you want to open like a new file, you can say control N, control O, control S and control shift S. So all those ones, they really helps. It helps when you want to do it in a quicker way in your keyboard. So don't forget that you can still do it that way. Let's go to move is just few things you need to in view is only one thing you should know about it. Now region helps to expand your system. Like when this window is very large, this window is very large, now it can contain little things when you do not expand it. When you expand it, it can contain the whole map of the world. So all you need is expand it, just expand it. Then we have another one that is insert. Just know one thing: only block, just know block. There is a place that is aligned here. Look at this box now, is block. So they have already put it in this bar. So now we say, let's another one, let's check format. In format we have a lot of things here, like layer, we have color, we have line type, we have line weight, we have text style, we have dimension style. These things, these ones I just mentioned, is the basic ones you should know for now. But I like AutoCAD because they help to align those things for you where you can easily access them. So let's see where it is aligned. Let me demonstrate it. This is the line weight, this is the line type, this is the color, this is the layer, you see. So this one is that of the tester, and the dimension. So now all those things, now they put it for you for easy access. Now I'm going to as well introduce to you the next one, which is let me clean all this. I'm going to introduce to you the next one, which is what? Tools. Now tools, only few things to here I want you to recognize, which is block editor. I just showed you block editor. So now your block editor, it helps you to get your block, edit your block. Now this one, the other one, it should be like block is different from a block editor. Block is when you want to put different components into one piece, it becomes one. So that is when you use block. I'm rushing this video. Please follow this video, follow and comment on this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also turn notification button so that whenever I drop new videos, you are able to follow up and know and watch, and also keep on learning from this platform, because you are going to get all you ever wanted. It's going to teach you a lot on what you are going to know. Okay, let's move by checking out this draw. This draw is all about a lot of lines are here. So these lines, the AutoCAD helps us to align them up in this bar. Look at them: line, ray, construction line, multi-line, polyline, and rest of them, circle and arc. Look at them here, which I'm going to talk about in my next video, and their functions. Look at them here, look at them here, look at the line, look at construction line, look at the polyline, look at the this one is a polygon, this is a rectangle, this is the arc, this is the circle, this is the cloud, this is spline, and rest of them. So all these things, you discover that those things that are lined up here is what has been brought out for easy access. The same thing with dimension, withdraw, dimension, modify, and all that. So I'm going to be introducing our next video all those tools and their functions, but it is important that you know their names. Now look at this column. All this column contains the things that will help you to draw. This one contains what will help you to be moving, help you to cut, help you to copy, help you to delete. A lot of it are here. Now this column is going to help you in putting up your dimension, which we are going to at least witness it and know how it functions. Now we have another bar by the right side. It is a property where you can edit your line and all that. Now we have all these aligned up here. Like this color I've explained it to you is for easy access to color your line. This one is the line type you want to use. Is it construction, is it broken line? This one is the line weight you got to use. So if you are using line weight, so you have to turn on your line weight at the down bar. You'll be asking, why am I using AutoCAD 2007? I'm using because it's very simple and understandable for those who are new into AutoCAD. So like I want to use my line weight, I'm going to turn it up. So I'm going to be teaching this down button in our next video. Now stay up in my video and learn more, because a lot is still coming. So I'll be ending this video right now and wait for my next upload. So I'm going to upload this same week, but before that, you're going to like this video, comment on this video, tell us the area you like about our video. in any questions. If you don't understand anything in taking this class with us, don't forget to ask your question, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.